Welcome, amateur photographer. My name is Josh Dunlop and I'm a self-taught photographer from the south of England, and I own and run ExpertPhotography.com. Without further ado, let's get started. Hello and welcome. Hi and welcome. Hello and welcome.
Hello and welcome. Hello and welcome to this video.
We're going to be talking about the accessories,
Aperture, light painting, tripods,
the rule of thirds,
weird macro extension tube,
ND filter,
depth of field,
intervalometer.
Picante, Gorgonzola.
Now let's just finally talk about how we're going to shoot this. It is quite easy and it's very fun and it produces some really awesome results. And now it's time to go and walk around and see what we can capture.
Wow, how do you take that? Tempting, it is tempting.
It's not my recommended method for changing lenses. It's very impressive still, but we are expert photography, so I thought I'd go the extra mile and I'll show you how to do this. You want to have that tension in your image. Let's go ahead and remove parts of myself. You can capture the world around you with the click of a button.
When I started expert photography in April 2011, it never occurred to me that one day, 10 years later, I would still be working on it. I just started the website because I wanted to find potential clients to work with. But my work transformed from working as a photographer, which I actually did very little of, into creating content and courses and ebooks and projects, and sharing my knowledge and the knowledge of other photographers to build a worldwide community of photographers who want to improve and take better photos.
This for me is a landscape photographer's dream. I've been so pleased with this situation. I really enjoyed making this video and I hope that you've enjoyed watching it.
It's the most fulfilling thing I've ever done in my life, and it is a big chunk of it as well now. I'm incredibly proud of what we've achieved and how we've been able to help so many photographers, and I hope to continue to do it for another 10 years. I'm so glad you chose to learn with me. I've had a tremendous time building this content for you.
Shooting in multiple countries, Slovenia, Italy, Austria.
We're here in beautiful Joshua Tree National Park.
We arrived here in Greece.
Shot over 10 days in Sicily, we explored mountains, beaches, waterfalls and lively markets.
Wait for this. Can you let me know if you can hear that as well? It's a siren. When I shoot the Milky Way, I shoot at f2 point. It's quite distracting. We'll wait for that. But it's okay, it's not like... You might be able to hear some Italian karaoke in the background. I've gotten so much better on camera. Beautiful, loves it. Oh yeah!
Ah, beautiful.
Beautiful, look. Bad, okay. Hello. Ah, I'm soaking. It's not only handy, but it's fashionable, I'm sure you'll agree.
And I was on the homepage of the Daily Mail for a trick photography effect like this. I was never very good at making stars in school.
You can take great photos with really basic gear. You don't need to worry about splashing cash on some really fancy stuff. So now that I have that set up, I'm going to do something that might surprise you. Now, famous last words, I'm going to get a little bit closer. Is that still recording?
So that's it. Thank you for joining me. Josh Dunlop, ExpertPhotography.com.